Hey guys, what is going on? So this is a Pixel 2 XL that I ordered off of AliExpress. Now the seller claims that this is brand new, sealed, never before opened, and judging by how it looks right now, I would say he's right. The reason I find it hard to believe that this is brand new resealed is because, this is 3 years old already. And what would a brand new Pixel 2 XL be doing in China anyway? I'm gonna unbox it and tell you if it's worth it to buy it from AliExpress like I did. And later in the future, I'm gonna make my review to see if this phone is worth it in general in 2020. So we are gonna break this seal. Here we go. Alright, so far it looks legit. And this is kind of exciting for me because this is my first Pixel device ever. Okay, nice. I don't see any scratches or any signs of use. This one is really light. Like, damn. Alright, let's put this aside. We have that OTG thing. And a charger for my region. Oh, we have USB-C to USB-C, okay. And a dongle for the headphone jack. And I gotta admit, 2017 was too early for Android OEMs to get rid of the headphone jack, but hey, I don't use it anyway, so I don't really care. And the seller was nice enough to include this glass screen protector and this TPU case, which, it's not the best quality, but it's better than nothing. Oh shit. Okay, let's power it on. Oh, that's the volume buttons. Okay. Getting like a bluish tint when I'm tilting it to the sides. Wow, that was the fastest boot I've ever had. Alright, so I don't know if this is refurbished or not. The screen does have like a bluish tint when you, I don't know if you can see that. Either way, I'm going to be switching to this phone, and my review will be coming in a few days, hopefully. Thank you for watching, and peace.